To get started, I just imported this regular video, as well as this neon symbol video with a black background I'd like to remove. Alright, let's begin by dragging the regular video onto the timeline. Then drag your video with a black background onto the track above it to remove its black background. Let's go over to the effects panel in the search box. Type Luma key, and then drag the Luma key effect onto your top clip. With the black background, it should automatically remove it, but it made my symbol too transparent. So to adjust it, make sure your top clip is selected and go over it to effect controls in here under Luma key. Adjust the threshold to bring back or take away some of the darker colors. You can also play around with the cutoff, but I think it makes mine just look jagger, so I'll leave that alone. Okay, now when I play this back, I have my neon symbol without its black background, but that's all for me. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.